This is my digital dash that I've made out of a tablet. I have a OBD2 Bluetooth adapter that communicates with the tablet, and I'm using the Real Dash app to show me my dash. I have an arm with a magnet to hold it in, and now I'm pulling it out. So I'm using the original dash visor, and I'm going to mold it to the existing dash. So now I'm mocking it up so I can cut it. I'm sanding with 80 grit. It's always best to do it on the car so the fit is perfect. I had to cut the top off to make this fit. And I've got this sanded down to about 80 grit. The clamp keeps things from moving. I'm using fairing compound, which is great to stick to plastic and fiberglass. I'm using about 14 drops per ounce of catalyst. Alright, it's time to mix it real good. Mix 'em, mix 'em, mix 'em. Fairing compound is very thick and is going to work great to bond the plastic and the fiberglass. This stuff is great. I've even used it to cover half-inch holes in plastic without cracking. Once it's dry, I sand it down with 80 grit. A little bit of thinner smooths out the Bondo. And a little bit of hardener. Make sure you give your mixes a lot of love. And slap it on. So I'm mocking it up to see what it's going to look like. Now I'm spraying the rubberized coating. So this is what it looks like once it's dry. The gap above the tablet is for the Underglow. Now it's time to install it. So this is what it looks like during the daytime. Here's the left turn signal, and here's the right turn signal. This is nighttime. I really need to change that wallpaper. The turn signals are much brighter, but for some reason, I don't know if it's the tablet being so bright that it just looks really dim. And then bam, there's that Underglow. I'm really excited, this looks great. Alright, it's time to shut it off. So this is the project I did over the weekend. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.